Hey everyone, so I just want to let you guys know I should cover my address. I'm turning it around. We were sitting around one day, Sunday afternoon. Everyone's hanging around watching TV. Infomercial comes on. I'm such a sucker. I have totally been wanting one of these robot vacuums. I watched the one on the shark and here it is, about $485 later. But Caitlin's laughing back there. All right, I'm gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna open this. I know nothing about what I'm doing. So let's see how this goes. All right. I'm trying to be careful. All right, so let's do this. Probably fast forward through this part. Okay. So this is the Shark IQ robot, and it's the one that is the bagless self-empty base. Oh goodness gracious. Caitlin, come over here and pull this bottom off. Come on. Just the bottom, yeah. Ooh, that's in there tight. Alrighty. So here we go, thank you, my dear. So I'm gonna see here. Got these little flappy things here. Pull this out. Okay, that makes me nervous. Maybe I should open it this way. Woo. All right, we have a quick start guide. They even give you an app that you need to download, so I've got that. Recommend to use on off-carpet types. This is the, I guess it's the dock mat. Okay. I feel like I opened the poor guy upside down, but okay. I'm assuming this is my little vacuum. And some fun little, I don't know what these are. All right. It's not paper, so the dog won't eat it.
Okay.
All right, and then here's the plug. And I'm assuming then that this is the base. And it says bot boundary. Avoid obstacles and optimize robot performance with bot boundary strips. All right, we'll have to read that. Okay, so that's everything that's in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and then I will come back with everything unwrapped. And we will go from there and try and figure this thing out. Okay, so I am going to download this Shark Clean app and go through it. And I've taken everything out of the box and just kind of put it over here off to the side. Sorry about the glare. So I've got that, and I will go through this and let you see how I do it.
So right now it's asking me to download the app. So I've gone on to Shark Clean and I'm going to go ahead and click on that to get this app. So now I'm going to select my country. Obviously there's a ton of countries on here. I love how it says rest of the world, but I'll hit United States since that's where I am. And then I will add my email. I have it blocked off so you can't see it, but I'm adding that and then adding my password. So then it makes you select the email where you're going to identify that you have accepted the terms and conditions, and you'll open your app and go in and get started from there.
So So one of the things that it told me to do in the app was to attach these brushes. So this is where I'm putting them right here. You see they attach right there. So I'm doing that. So the next thing it's telling me to do is to turn this on using the side switch. But it's not in any way charged, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so I missed it. It said, hello, let's get cleaning. So I'm gonna put this guy on the floor, but I'm also gonna go back to my app and see what it wants me to do. So it's telling me I have to set up my dock. So I'm gonna do that first and come back to it and show you how I do it. All right, so it says plug cord here and I have this in right here. It feels really tight. I hope it's in right, but we'll see what happens. All right, so I have it plugged into the wall and into here. It says you should put it on a hard floor, which I have. So we are now going to go back over to the shark and see what it wants us to do. Okay, so I have the one that's got the autofill. It just made this really loud noise, but I didn't record it. I wonder if I could get it to do it again. But anyway, I've got that one. So you're supposed to face it so that this comes this direction. So now I'm gonna go back to my directions and see what I need to do next. But yeah, it just went really loud. That was crazy. Okay, let's see now. Okay, you on? Oh, I hope I don't like lose a finger here. Okay, go back. Let's go ahead, dog. I don't even know what I'm doing. No! Stop, honey. No. Go back. Go find your little home. Turn around, sweetheart. I think you're supposed to be going the other way. I'm like totally sitting on the floor. Let's see what this does. Here we go. Oh, okay. Hello. That was totally an accident, but okay, I guess it's properly docked now. So let me go back to my directions and see what else I need to do. So it looks like it's time to set up the Wi-Fi. So basically in this just plethora of networks, I'm looking for the Shark one. I'll go ahead and select that and we can move on from there. So it's telling me to hit dock and clean at the same time till my Wi-Fi indicator.
I am ready to connect to Wi-Fi.
Okay, little guy. I'll do that now. So this one's going to take a couple minutes. I'm going to speed through it, but I will join the network and then it's going to ask me some questions. And we'll just go through this as quickly as we can. But then it'll make sure that we are connected and hooked up. So I wanted it to be a boy and I wanted to give him a really fun name. So we have decided to name him the Sharkmeister. So here it's just saying it wants to build a map of my house. So it's giving us some instructions and I'm just basically clicking through to say that I've done these things so that it can start trying to vacuum after it gets set up all the way.
And as you can see, since he's pretty much new, he only had 30% battery life. So we're just gonna start with that and turn on our automated cleanings. I'm going for 4 a.m. in the morning, so it's pretty much finished when I wake up.
So I have, I guess, set this up properly, we'll see. And I've set it up to schedule to vacuum every morning at 4 a.m. So it's done. When I get here, I'm gonna see if I can get it to do a test run for me real quick. We'll see how that goes. But for now, it's set up, I think. All right, I'm gonna hit this clean button and see what happens. Okay, go. Okay, we'll check back on him in a little bit. I think he's got to figure everything out. I'll probably turn on some lights. He's there, but see you in a few, Sharkmeister. Okay, so while that's cleaning, I also have this. I guess it's like so your shark won't go into places you don't want it to. It's like a boundary. I'm only going to be pretty much cleaning down here. And we're on the first floor. Hi, guy! So I'm probably not gonna put that up until I decide that it probably is going into places I don't want it to. But for now, let's see how it does. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Alrighty. You've worked hard, Sharkmeister. You're just trying to figure it out, and I know you're new. I like how he backs in.
That's funny watching it back in.
I know, right? Thank you. Good job.
Well, I hope this helped. I will see you in the next one. Bye.